Langtabal constituency MLA Karam Shyam today expressed displeasure over turning the Manipuri University Catholic School Road into a garbage dumping site. The MLA was taking part in a one-day social service camp jointly organized by Kha Naurem Lekai Chowkhat Khongthang Club (CKC) and Liwa Naurem Lekai Human Development Association (HUDA). Daily new cases of coronavirus crossed the 50,000 mark again, with India reporting 50,356 cases in the last 24 hours. A media report said, with 7,178 cases, Delhi became the top contributor for the first time, ahead of Kerala and Maharashtra. About 54,000 people were declared to have recovered, and active cases have come down to 5.16 lakh in the past 24 hours. India's COVID-19 cases have risen to 84,62,081, with 577 new deaths. The death toll has surged to 1,25,562. President-elect Joe Biden declared it was time to heal a deeply divided America in his first speech after prevailing on Saturday in a bitter election, even as President Donald Trump refused to concede. As per media reports, Biden's victory in the battleground state of Pennsylvania put him over the threshold of 270 electoral college votes he needed to clinch the presidency, ending 4 days of nail-biting suspense and sending his supporters into the streets of major cities in celebration. Kukampal 1 Amurva, MSF and Adduko jointly organized a one-day anti-drug awareness program at Wisdom Foundation located at Khangabok. Amuko President PH Nando Luang, Amurva President Yumkhaibam Kunjarani, MSF President Sajat Buya, Adduko President L. Rajend and Kukampal 1 President W. May Park were present at the occasion as Presidium members. Preshorjit Sanglakpam, a social worker, today handed over a sanitizer booth to the members of Helping Hands Tongjo Kendra at Kongba Bazaar. Preshorjit Sanglakpam expressed serious concerns over the rapid surge in COVID-19 cases across the globe. In order to curb the pandemic, he said all should follow the necessary steps to fight the virus. Myanmar kicked off its multi-party general elections today as over 37 million eligible voters go to the polls across the country. The polls mark the second general election for the National League for Democracy (NLD) led by State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi under the current constitution.